Hi, this is John from Racy Moto, and we have the new Ultra at a national hard enduro event. Now this is not our first on the Ultra, but what we learnt on the first about the bike, we've put into practice on the bike for today. So what did we find last time? The standard wheels and tyres are not capable of anything serious. That's number one. So what we've done is we've put on a set of 2118s and we're running gummy tyres. So on the back we've got a 120/90, that's a TerraForce double green. That's a very sticky tyre, and we've also got a TerraForce single green stripe on the front. So those tyres are very good for tricky terrain. They've got grip to get over rocks and logs, and they've got really good traction in most conditions. So a lot of hard enduro riders use those tyres. What else did we find? The ergonomics, the more we rode it, the more we found the bars were too low. So what we've done is we've made a riser for the original bars. We've brought it up around 35mm, and that's a lot more comfortable, especially in the standing position. And then we've rotated the bars so that there's a really nice comfortable riding position. As far as the suspension, we've made lots of adjustments, got the rebound right, got the compression fairly close. We did find that the front forks, the compression is still a bit hard and it's not quite matched to the rear, so we're going to get someone to pull the front forks apart and see why, see if it needs revalving or if there's a spring issue. That's probably just within the adjustment of that. This is an early bike, so it may be a prototype, so production bikes might be a bit better, but we'll wait and see and find out. Other than that, the bike hasn't really broken anything except, a little bit of plastic here and there. The chains haven't overly stretched. We've been able to do a bit of maintenance, a few loose bolts, but overall it's been really performing really well. We did do another modification. If you have a look here, the bump stops, we found that the turning circle for technical terrain wasn't quite enough, so we actually shaved the bump stops so that we can get more turning circle, and that actually improves. There's times where if you have to save yourself, you need to turn your bars a lot to get your balance, so we found that really helped as well. We're not running in the tyres, we're not running mousse, we're running tubes. Main reason is weight, just trying to keep the weight down. But a mousse is obviously a safer option where you don't get a flat, but tubes, if you look after them and run them at the right pressure, they're quite good. So overall this bike is proving to be really good. Let's see how it goes against the real gas bikes out there, hoping that it can keep up and impress a few people. It's the only electric bike here out of a few hundred, so we'll just see how it goes today and we'll update you. But please like and subscribe. Let us know if you want to know anything more about how we've set this bike up for this sort of event. Happy to help. And if you've got any suggestions, let us know as well. We'd love to hear from you.